I can tell you, if you're looking for a company to switch to, if you're in the repair business, you should really think about using RepairDesk. Hi, I'm Terry Ballantini with Normal Gadgets, and we've been in business for 13 years. We started doing all of our repairs and our intake on paper. It's been that long ago. And then we switched years ago to a company called RepairShopr. It wasn't a bad system, but it would crash all the time. And so it really didn't help us. And it would always crash on a Friday. And it was just terrible. And every time you'd call for service, people weren't available. You just couldn't get a hold of anybody. It's like they didn't want to talk to you. I can tell you, if you're looking for a company to switch to, if you're in the repair business, you should really think about using RepairDesk. The customer service that we get from them is, I think, above and beyond. You know, if I need somebody to talk to, if I need to reach out to somebody, I can reach them through my computer. I can call them. They can call me. I can text them. There's multiple ways of getting a hold of them, and they talk to you. And they try to solve your problem almost immediate. Some of the things I really like about the program that RepairDesk offers, I like that they have a section that you can do reviews. You send this out. So if somebody does a repair with us, the next day they get a questionnaire, an email or a text that says, hey, why don't you give these guys a review, Normal Gadgets? And it does prompt them to give us the reviews. And if you go, you'll see that our reviews are about 1,500 reviews through Google, and we're about 4.8. And I can tell you that using this system has increased our reviews substantially. The other thing that I like about RepairDesk is that, their payment system, it's tied in with BlockChip that we use, and it's seamless, and it ties in immediately with it, so we get the reports immediately, and every night everything's batched through.